Hi, Jason Knott with CE Pro, and I am excited to be joined by the crew from STX Solution. Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Hello,
Hi,
Jason and CE Pro.
Thanks for joining me today. Three well-known industry veterans who are well recognized by everybody in the industry. Bill Battaglia, for years at D-Tools, created ePonti software, also worked at Middle Atlantic. Thanks, Bill, for joining me today.
Thank you.
Susan Jones Sipe, well recognized by everybody in the industry, had her own integration company up in Washington State for many years, and for years and years now has been training the industry on software, accounting processes, business processes at Abacus Prime. Hi, Susan.
Hey, Jason.
And then last but not least, Mark Sipe, well known to anybody who's been on CEPro.com, that's for darn sure. Mark, as the creator of his great magnetic automatic finding system XSpot that finds the wires behind the walls. And also Mark became famous on CE Pro for blogging about the $20 million project down in Phoenix. Hi, Mark.
Hi, Jason. I think infamous is closer, but
I wasn't going to go there, but okay.
Yeah.
So three industry veterans came together with all your experience. Susan, what brought the three of you together to form STX Solution?
Well, we identified the need and we had the solution, but individually we could share information, but we wanted to make it easier. So with Bill already having a very robust operations app, and we already had sales tools with the sales and design being done out in the field. And then of course, with all of the QuickBooks knowledge that we have, we had the solution. So it was a just inevitable, but also very logical to make it easier. And so we've made the interfaces so there's buttons where you can just go, okay, I'm going over to accounting, I'm going over to sales and design. It's all centralized controls. And that's another comment that we're getting from our initial feedback is people are really appreciating the fact that it is centralized. They can go to one location and it can be accessed from your phone or your laptop or your desktop. So that makes it really convenient. But also on the sales and design side, it is native to the app, so you don't get interrupted from not having a signal.
And our app touches every employee in the company, from operations to sales design. Everybody runs this. You can track them on GPS. You can see what work they're doing that week in real time. You can manage your entire business. So it gives you a window you never had before.
All right, Mark, let's dig a little bit deeper. Tell us exactly what is STX Solution?
Well, it's basically a full software suite for the industry. Because we have come from the industry, sales and design lets you start in the field by talking to your client, gathering information, taking pictures, dragging icons out onto a floor plan or a picture, importing a Google Earth screenshot, showing cameras outside. I mean, you can pretty much completely design a pre-engineered system. So what I mean by that is you already have packages that you grab as little modules, pull them together saying your home theater will be this. Your room of audio will have these two speakers and this keypad or touch panel. It simplifies the sales process. Now you can control what your sales guys sell, what they sell it for, and exactly what they're going to present to that client and how they're going to present. It makes onboarding new salespeople easy, and it gives you a very powerful tool that allows you to show things in a way that makes you sell again, not just take orders. Too often people are buying based on price. They go to the internet. We're actually helping the customer get a better feel and get a little bit more of an education through our software. They can go, oh, that's why I should buy that better product, or I should buy more of those. I like those. Those are good. We create these custom lifestyle images that aren't just a picture of a black box. They show that unit in place in someone's home or office or building. People can go, oh, that's how that would look. That's how that would work. Yeah. And once somebody's informed, they're more likely to make a buy decision. They understand it a little better. And then when that's done, it's handed off to ePonti seamlessly, or to operations. So we're kind of getting used to this ourselves. And operations lets you take that, once it's been sold, it's automatically posted to the web. I'm not waiting for a sales guy to remember anything. Our responsive intelligence, we build into our software, automatically does things for everybody.
So Bill, picking up on that, what Mark just went through, our research shows that the average integration company out there has multiple pieces of software, and he talked about that handoff between the software. Does STX Solution solve some of that?
Yeah, it does. Basically, in the industry, there's a lot, everybody uses one or another, and they all try and talk to each other, but unsuccessfully. With being in one solution like we are, it's seamless through that. The data transfers across, the information that was done in the sales and design comes into operations. And then at that point, when it's ready, it gets pushed off to QuickBooks for accounting purposes to track that. All of that is very seamless in one place, allowing the whole entire construction team to work in one location.
Susan, CEDIA Expo is coming up. Tell us, what do you have excited? What are you excited to show integrators there? What can they expect to see?
Well, we are going to be teaching 2 classes that I would like to invite everybody to. One is job costing for contractors who don't like accounting. Which pretty much is everybody, right? I've been doing that at the tech summits, and I'm going to do that at the CEDIA too. It's been very well received. Been getting some great feedback on that. The other one is business processes. We are going to, the 3 of us are doing a business process class where we're actually helping you identify your processes and then stating what it is that this model has in the way of business processes. So we're excited to be doing the training. We are going to be launching STX Solution in our booth 3327. We're going to have it divided up into different applications. We're going to have operations and accounting and what it looks like to be in the home and doing a sales.
And we will be showing our new UI. We have a really cool, sexy UI coming out for sales, design, and operations. Pretty different. We've always been different. I mean, everybody says that about me, but it's going to be something that no one else has ever really tried, and that we're going to make this more streamlined, more intuitive to the user. This is a client-facing app. I'm not trying to give them a whole spreadsheet of numbers. I'm trying to give them sex appeal. I want these guys to feel like they're buying something unique. The customer, not the salesperson. The customer can pick this iPad up and sell themselves.